Make a great choice today with the 2021
Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.